How do you get a foreign divorce decree recognized in family law? Imagine you got divorced in another country and now want that divorce recognized here. It might sound simple, but the process has specific steps and rules. Let's walk through what you need to know. When a foreign court issues a divorce decree, it is a legal decision ending a marriage in that country. But recognition in your current jurisdiction is not automatic. Each place has its own rules about accepting foreign divorce decisions. The first thing to check is whether the foreign court had proper authority. That means at least one spouse was a resident or citizen of that country when the divorce was granted. If the court lacked jurisdiction, recognition could be denied. Next, the court will look at whether both spouses were properly notified and had a fair chance to participate. If one spouse was not properly served or could not defend themselves, the decree might not be recognized. The court also considers public policy. If the divorce was obtained through fraud or violates local laws, it may be rejected. Another key point is finality. The foreign divorce must be final and not subject to further appeals or challenges. If it is still open to contest, recognition might be delayed. Recognition does not automatically resolve issues like property division or child custody. These matters often requiring separate local court decisions. For child custody orders from abroad, the local court will review to ensure it is in the child's best interest and aligns with local laws. Before recognition, you usually need to get certified copies of the foreign decree and any supporting documents. If these are not in your local language, a certified translation might be necessary. You then file a petition or application with your local family court asking for recognition. The court may hold a hearing to review the evidence and decide if the decree meets all legal standards. Sometimes, legal assistance from a family law attorney familiar with international cases can make this process smoother. Remember, the court will check if the foreign divorce was valid under its own laws and if it meets your local jurisdiction's rules. If everything is in order, the court will recognize the decree, making it legally binding here. So, getting a foreign divorce recognized involves showing that the divorce was valid where it was granted and that it complies with your local rules. The court will review the documents, and you may need to follow additional steps, but with proper preparation, you can have your foreign divorce accepted here.